Hi, my name's Aisha and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut Autopress. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. In the box you will find Cricut Autopress, power cable, control panel, USB connection cable, non-slip heat-proof mat, warranty information and user guide. To get started, plug the power cord into the Autopress. Log into your Cricut Design Space account on your laptop or desktop and navigate to the new product setup. Select Heat Press. Insert the power cord into the back of the Autopress control panel. Then insert the USB end into your laptop or desktop. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Autopress. The progress of this can be monitored on the control panel. Once the setup is complete, unplug the control panel from your laptop or desktop and insert it into the Autopress. Your Autopress is now ready to use. You'll find the power button on the side of the machine. When pressed, this will turn the Autopress on and it will glow white. When the Autopress is on and locked, the padlock symbol will appear on the control panel and the machine will not heat up. On the side of the machine there is also a lock and unlock switch. Activating the lock will keep the lid of the Autopress closed, while unlock will open it. To start work on your first project, unlock the machine. This will prompt the machine to start preheating. You will hear a fan begin. This ensures the heat is evenly distributed across the Autopress plate. To set the time and temperature on the Autopress, use the dials on the control panel. Use the dial on the left to adjust the heat and the dial on the right to adjust the time. Use the Cricut Heat Guide online to find out the best time and temperature settings for your project. If you're going to be using a particular heat setting a lot, the buttons at the top of the Autopress control pad can be used to save these as presets. To create a preset, select one of the buttons, then set the required temperature and time. To save these, hold down the preset button and wait for the screen to flash and the beep will sound. Once the machine is heated, place your project onto the base of the Autopress and lower the lid until it makes contact. Push the handle down to hold the top of the press in place. The Autopress will automatically adjust the pressure of the top plate dependent on the thickness of your material. Base materials up to 2 inches thick can be used in the Autopress. Once the timer has counted down to 0, the lid of the machine will automatically open. Your project can then be carefully removed from the Autopress using the heat-resistant mat on the base of the machine to help. Once you've finished work with the Autopress, switch it off using the button on the side of the machine. It can then be left to cool with the lid up or locked down. Thanks for joining me for this video. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, discover a new craft project or learn a new skill. If you found this video useful, leave a like and a comment below. We love to see them. See you soon for more videos.